Hi, Get the Gloss. I'm Claire, one of the sister co-founders of maskne Skincare, and we're in your box this month with our amazing PHA Clarifying Mist. So I'm going to talk you through how to use it, what it contains, and the key benefits. So PHA stands for polyhydroxy acids, and you've got other acids that you might have heard of like AHAs and BHAs. PHAs are larger molecules, so they're brilliant if your skin's slightly red or sensitive because they don't aggravate the skin. So why would you use this product? It is really of the moment because it's perfect for maskne and any areas where you get skin congestion and blemishes. It's also really brilliant for brightening the skin because you can imagine it's going to exfoliate off that top layer. So how do you use it? You'd literally put it on your skin as part of your routine. So after you finish cleansing, you just mist it on your skin. You need about 3 or 4 spritz, and then you can just gently pat it on. But also you can use it throughout the day and even use it over makeup. So if you're really concerned about maskne and you're getting lots of breakouts, you can just mist it on throughout the day. It's very, very gentle, so you can use it more than once a day. Other amazing things, we have got a beautiful fragrance in here because we work with a great natural perfumer. So we've blended brilliant antimicrobial and antibacterial essential oils like Kanuka, we've got in there Mei Chang, eucalyptus and some lemon. So it's going to deliver those to the skin in a really lovely mist. We've also put in zinc PCA. Ours is EcoCert approved, our PHA. The zinc PCA is also going to help with excess sebum production. So it's really helped to give you a nice mattifying effect and stop you overproducing oil. And then we've added in an ingredient called allantoin. That is originally from snail slime, and they discovered that it was really highly moisturising because ladies that were working in snail factories in Asia had really soft skin. We've actually made ours vegan, so it's a synthesised allantoin, so it's nature identical, and we've put that in the product as well. At maskne, we're very natural, so we don't have parabens, sulfates, petrochemicals in our products, and we're really on a mission to care for the environment. So you'll see that this is in a really gorgeous glass recyclable bottle. Unfortunately, at the moment, it's very difficult to recycle mists because they're made of so many different types of plastic and metal, but we do have a PP lid. So you can unscrew the mist, recycle the glass, and also your PP lid as well. So we hope you enjoy using the product. It's perfect to partner with our other maskne skincare as well for brilliant results. And do let us know how you get on.